You're driving in the White Mountains when your car starts acting funny. Uh-oh. A broken down vehicle can ruin a vacation, prevent you from getting to work, and make life really stressful. Local North Conway Midas owners Ron and Kelly Monroe like helping people breathe a sigh of relief. Auto care is what they do, but their real job is saving vacations and getting life back on track.
Well, basically we do all maintenance and repairs for cars. We do a lot of tires, oil changes, brakes, exhaust, wheel bearings, pretty much cover the gamut of what you need to do to keep the car up and running properly. If you're buying a car in the area, tell them you want to bring it over. We'll go through it for free. We'll tell you what we find, whether it's good, it's bad, it doesn't matter. We're brutally honest that way, so you don't make a mistake and you don't spend money that you shouldn't be spending in the first place. I think it's a worldwide recognized name, so you understand that it has worldwide warranties and coverage and things like that. I think that anywhere in the country you go, you've got a warranty that follows you, and it doesn't matter if you're in California or in Rhode Island or Massachusetts, it's going to be covered and you're going to be taken care of.
And it's nice to know you won't get overcharged. North Conway Midas loves to give back to the community, and it starts with treating customers right.
We're local, we live here, we live in Bartlett, and we love this area. We participate in a lot of different events here. Jen's friends, we sponsor a couple of Little League teams. We do quite a bit. We're over at Cranmore and we sponsor some downhill there, and we just have a lot of fun in the valley.
So what tips do the area's car experts have for driving in the White Mountains this winter?
You're coming into winter, so there's some things you got to remember. You got to bring your car to your local repair shop, whether it's us or somebody else. Ask them to go through it. Make sure all your tires are good, wiper blades, fluids, things of that nature. But it goes further than that. You also want to make sure you're okay. Now, we know up here, driving through the notches, you can get totally different weather. So you got to be prepared to get stuck or stranded somewhere. So you're going to want to have sand and salt in your car. You're going to have maybe an extra pair of wiper blades. You're going to want windshield washer de-icer in there. Carry a couple of gallons with you. Extra coat, extra mittens, extra hats. You don't want to run your car if you're in a snowbank. If the exhaust is blocked, the exhaust is going to come into the car. So you got to be prepared for these things. A small shovel, just in case you have to dig yourself out. There's a lot of different things you've got to remember. It's not just about your car, it's also about yourself.
Enjoy your time driving in the White Mountains. And if something should go wrong with your car, don't worry. Ron and Kelly and North Conway Midas have your back.
You got to be honest. If you're not honest, what sense of being in business? The people come here because they want to believe that you're honest and you're telling them the truth. And that's the whole name of the game, is being honest. And don't spend money if you don't have to. And if we can encourage people not to spend the money, if not necessary, that's what we do. It's not about spending money, it's about doing the right thing.